Let's discuss how the tightness of this blade clip can cause the entire drone to vibrate. One of the blade clip is very loose, and the other is very tight. You can see it when I turn it just now. Let's perform an idle test now, focusing only on the motor blade clip on this side. This makes it clear that the drone is shaking significantly. The cause of this shaking is the overly tight blade clip. Let's replace the blade clip and see if that resolves the shaking. Let's replace this blade clip now. This blade clip hasn't been replaced with a new one, it's still old and tight. However, I've ground it down slightly. Grind the gasket a little thinner and install it. It's not so tight after it's installed. Both are very loose, and then let's try again. These two move very loosely as soon as they break up. Let's perform another idle test to check the drone's stability. Now we are also doing one-arm tests. The drone is now completely stable, with no shaking whatsoever. Let's test with all 4 blades engaged. It's holding steady now. Initially, the drone shook a lot, but after grinding down the gasket, the shaking stopped.